This is a short demonstration on how to use the bandsaw. So first you've got to plug it in over there. The bandsaw, we're going to clamp our sample in here, but first let me just demonstrate how the blade comes down. So there's a hydraulic system here to regulate how the blade comes down. If we switch this lever down, the fluid flow is blocked. This hydraulic piston here prevents the blade from coming down. When in use, what you're going to do, you're going to flip this up and let it fall. By adjusting this, you can adjust the rates of fall. You see right now it's actually falling perhaps very slowly, imperceptibly. Changing this knob, you can see here it's cutting much faster. So it's going to take some practice to determine what is the correct rate, but if you're not sure, you can just leave it on a slightly fast setting and just use your hand here to guide it. So okay, let's get ready for a cut. What we're going to do, we're going to put the lever down so it is locked up. Okay. Now this wheel here will undo the vise. Now don't trust this thing to hold itself while you're working with your hands there, just in case something goes wrong and it starts to fall. So just keep one hand up here while you've got your hand under the blade. So you know you feel so you're safe. So I'm going to move this metal plate over. I'm going to make a cut. If you want to see where it's going to cut, you can just lower the blade down temporarily. So that's where I want to make my cut. Great. I'm going to put this up. I'm going to spin this wheel, clamp my specimen. There we go. Now, there's normally a coolant pump which puts coolant out here, but it's broken right down the machine, so we're just going to have to manually squeeze some coolant on there. And it's a special coolant, which we have a couple of bottles over here, and you can read the instructions on how to make that. And we'll go over that another time, but it's a caustic chemical, so don't let it get on your skin, and always use eyeglasses when you're making up the solution. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn on the machine. Well, I'll let this lever up first. So there we go. I'm going to turn on the machine by flipping the switch. There we go. I'm slowly guiding it with my hand. And I'm going to use the coolant to keep the blade lubricated. And I'm still holding it with my hand and guiding it down. Make sure I don't overload the blade. By now I'm applying very little support to the blade, just dropping under its own weight. There we go. It stopped. Now we just lift it up, switch it off. And you can loosen the jaws here, so you can remove your sample. Again, make sure you support the blade before you put your hand underneath there. So I'm just pushing it out the way. Move the lever up, let it drop down to its normal place, and I won't forget to clean up. Thank you.